Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect a custom domain to Google Sites. So first and foremost, you just have to simply go to Google Sites and then create an account. You can create an account using your Google account, email, and password. This is how it starts. You can add the name of your website right here. For example, if it's all about technology, you can just basically add it right here. You can change the font style, font size. You can tap bold, italic, underline. You can even add a link if you want to add a specific link right here where your customer client can click and then it will take them directly to that specific link or other site. You can change the font color if you want. You can add emojis, you can copy and paste this, and basically that's it. Now to change your cover photo or background cover photo right here, you can tap on image, you can upload or you can select. Basically, there are some images already here that you can select, but if you have your own, then basically you can just upload. For example, you can use Canva as your editing tool for creating a background or cover photo for your Google site. This is the name, let's just say. You can change it, you can minimize or decrease the size. Everything is up to you, and then place it wherever you want. So let's just say you will be offering services that is about technology. So the name of your Google site or company, or let's just say this is your business. Then once you're done with this, then you can now proceed below where you can add contents or you can add content blocks. So I strongly suggest if you want to add images here or different services, you need to create that image, you need to create that and then save that to your device. You can use Canva for that. So let's just say you will be offering other or the name of the service is Ironwork Solutions. On the left side, you can add a text box right here where you can paste the description of your service. This is just an example. Everything is up to you. You can change the image if you want. And again, you can change the font style, font size. You can change the font color. You can attach a link right here. You can add emojis and so on. So let's just say this is my business name above, and then here is my other services, the name of my services. And then you can add more content block right here. Let's just say you want to add more images if you want. So you just have to click the plus icon and then upload or select the image that you want to add here. Or you can also add calendar or you can add map so that your client or customer can probably see your location or your address. So you just have to select a location. Let's just say if your physical store or business or company is located in Hong Kong, then you just have to search for Hong Kong right here and then add the specific name of your location. Then a Google Map will automatically detect that one. And all you have to do is tap on select and it will take or it will just basically add it right here. So your customer can click this and it will take them directly to your location. Now you can add address right here, but this one is optional. For the second one, you can add a calendar so that your customer can see your availability. Everything is up to you. You can connect this to your Google Calendar so that your customer can see your availability. As you can see, there are some options right here. So everything is up to you. Now you can also add here like schedule or availability. So we have here address and schedule. Now you can add more content blocks and below you can add more images. In that image, you can add your service. So within this Google site, your customer or your client can see whatever or what services you offer. And you can add more images. Like if you want to add or create captivating images, I strongly suggest that you use Canva for that. Canva is a free editing tool, but if you want to upgrade your plan, that would be better. So that's it. You can add or share your Google site, or you can add someone here as editor. Let's just say if you want someone to edit your Google site, you can share this. So all you have to do is copy and then paste or add them here. Then they can change everything here. You can set them as editor or viewer. Everything is up to you. Now, here's the thing. To add or connect your custom domain, which is our main focus, you just have to click at this gear icon and then go to custom domain. Then set up your custom domain right here. If you have your custom domain, just paste it, or you can just add here manually. And then once you're done, then all you have to do is tap on next. However, if you are or if you haven't verified your own domain, then Google must confirm the domain belongs to you. It will open Google Search Console and guide you. Just follow the on-screen instructions and click verify. Usually, it will take 1 to 3 minutes to do that. So all you have to do is to follow everything here and then finish connection in Google Sites. So once you're done with everything here, like you can go back to Google Sites and then go to your custom domains and then verify your domain. So all you have to do is to follow the on-screen instruction right here. So let's just say if you want to get or purchase a domain from GoDaddy, you just have to go to GoDaddy or Namecheap. Everything is up to you. Search for domains right here, purchase or find your own. After that, you can paste it to your Google site. So again, you need to verify the domain, and then once done, you can click finish. So your site will begin working. Wait for it to go live. Usually it takes 10 minutes to 24 hours, sometimes up to 48 hours. Nothing is broken if it doesn't work instantly. So all you have to do is to wait. And basically that's how easy it is to connect a custom domain to Google site. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.